welcome back to my channel. This is me Dintun and as a vlog it's all about me traveling from Sydney to Gold Coast. अनि मेरो यो भ्लगमा चाहिँ सबै म गोल्ड कोस्टमा कता कता घुम्छु के गर्छु धेरै लामो हाल्दिनँ छोटो छोटो भिडियोहरू हाल्छु हेर्दै गर्नु होला म चाहिँ अहिले वाशरुममा छु डोन्ट माइन्ड किनकि बाहिर एकदमै हावा आइरहेको छ कि त्यही भएर मेरो साउन्ड आउँदैन त्यही भएर म हल्का शान्ति भएको ठाउँमा आएर बोलेको यस Yay! Finally!
Yay! Look, no hands. Ah, that's how you drive.
हामी चाहिँ अहिले ब्रेकफास्ट खान आएको अनि लुपीले चाहिँ अर्डर गर्न जानुभएको छ सो आई एम वेटिङ तपाईहरुको दिन कस्तो हुँदैछ कमेन्ट डाउन बिलो मेरो आवाज आयो कि आएन आई डोन्ट नो किनकि हामी सबैजना अब आफ्नो कुरा गर्दैछ नि त म पनि गरेर चिचाउनु भएन सो
Have to think it's privileged to get
यो क्याफेबाट चाहिँ भ्यू देख्छ क्या त्यहाँ बिचको एकदम राम्रो छ Okay. Hi everyone, this is the CURRUMBIN beach. Look at the view. Waves guys. म चाहिँ हल्का छोटो छोटो भ्लग बनाउन कोसिस गर्छु हो एकदम सर्ट क्लिप्स अफ वेयर आई एम गोइङ It's a glimpse मात्रै हो This is the glimpse of our day. Having fun. अनि चाहिँ हाम्रो रुपीको मम्मी जस्तै देखिने एउटा स्ट्यान्ड ऊ छ अरे कि स्ट्याचु त्यही हेर्न आएको म तपाईँहरूलाई पनि देखाउँछु This is the statue. No problem. So after the CURRUMBIN beach हामी चाहिँ CURRUMBIN वाइल्ड लाइफमा आएको छौँ सरी मेरो चाहिँ भोइस नसुनेको रहेछ सो मैले चाहिँ अहिले भोइस ओभर गर्दैछु दिस प्लेस इज कल्ड CURRUMBIN वाइल्ड लाइफ हामी अहिले वाइल्ड लाइफमा आएको अब लेट्स सी द प्लेस See this?
This is one of those.
Yeah.
When I said when they have down the front on the river,
Yeah.
that's one of the. Someone just made that out of that's wire,
Wire.
like wire,
Oh.
like what we put around a chicken house. So if you have a look,
यो चाहिँ पुरा वायरले बनेको रे गाइजहरु
you can see.
Yes.
So he's Aboriginal. He's one of our indigenous.
Yes. यस्तो वायरले बनेको रे ल गाइजहरु हेर्नु त्यस्तो यस्तो तारहरुले वाउ Let's go. Oh Allah. Oh, so cute. Look. This is real, right? That is real, right?
Yes, that's real.
Koala. Wow. 22 घण्टा सुत्छ रे गाइजहरु यो कोला भनेको चाहिँ 22 घण्टा यो चाहिँ चराहरू हुने ठाउँ रहेछ all wildlife
show you parrot when we see them.
Okay. Oh, what is that? A parrot?
No, that's like a pigeon. That's a type of pigeon.
Yes.
Yeah, and see these ones? It's like a dove. This one's
Yeah.
kind of.
That looks like a chick.
It does.
I like the face.
Yeah, definitely.
कुखुराको बच्चा जस्तो देखेँ कि चल्ला जस्तो अनुहार हामी चाहिँ यहाँ जङ्गल घुमिरहेछौँ जङ्गल
Crocodiles in there.
Can we go there?
No.
They will bite us.
Yeah.
This is
We're going to a show. That's why we're hurrying to get there on time.
Oh, that's why we are running.
Yes.
एउटा सो चल्यो हामी गाइजहरू त्यही सोको लागि दौडिरहेछ म किन दौडेको बुझ्दै बुझेको त We are in hurry.
Yes.
Run. We are not late.
No,
Thank
we're
God.
Right on time.
Yeah.
The power of light has given birds an edge over most other creatures, allowing them to travel further. Sorry, that was a really bad throw. That was a terrible throw. But I think they've done a fantastic job, don't you, Wendy? I think they have. Let's see if we can line them up one more throw here for Ash and Brooke, our wonderful black kites. Now, from an inland desert, and this is marlin. Good catch, marlin. And marlin is an Australian pelican. Now, Australian pelicans can be found all along our waterways, bays and estuaries. And these birds can actually weigh in excess of 7 kilos, making them, with a wingspan of 2.5 metres, making them one of Australia's heaviest. Also our merino wool. Now the most characteristic feature of our Australian pelican is that elongated bill, that can grow up to 50 centimetres long. Terns are a coastal species. Now if you've been walking around our headlands, the rain is on the way. But that's not it. These birds are ambassadors. See that beautiful heart shape or disc? I put my mic up close to her. Box for later. Yummy, hey? All right, last one. I want you to raise the roof on this one. What about something terrifying?
Yes!
Okay, all right. Well, I'm going to introduce you to the closest living relative to the Tyrannosaurus Rex. So everyone, please remain seated. Keep your hands down, your hats on. Are you ready? They are, in actual fact, chickens. Here they come. Dino chicks, everybody. Yeah, you can give them a round of applause. They're our dino chicks. And they are related to dinosaurs. There you go. Seriousness, Australia is one of the most important nations on Earth for biodiversity and is home to more species than any other developed country. Early European settlement and its determination to cultivate the land led to immense battles between farmers and Australia's native wildlife. Apex predators are important. This is Jessie. And Jessie is one of 4 wedge-tailed eagles that lives here in the sanctuary with us. Look at those beautiful wings. And that amazing wedge-shaped tail. He truly is an apex over there. If you would like the opportunity to have a photograph next to our wonderful Jessie, if you follow Jessie around the corner, out of the gates, round to the Conservation HQ, Lauren, his handler, will explain the process. So enjoy your afternoon, everybody. Sorry, it's morning. Enjoy your morning, everyone, and thanks so much for coming. Thank you, and goodbye.
कस्तो राम्रो सो very beautiful show.
So beautiful girl,
Yeah.
so beautiful girl. She's a beautiful girl.
She's a beautiful girl.
Oh, beautiful girls at Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary.
It was beautiful, right?
It was so beautiful.
Did you enjoy?
I loved it. I loved it.
Me too. वाइल्ड लाइफ हस्पिटल पनि रहेछ कि यहाँ अब केही भइहाल्यो भने यताको जनावरहरूलाई यहाँ चाहिँ ल्याएर चेकअप गर्दो रहेछ कि
Ones that live in the bush and they've stolen people's babies.
We can pick a name from one of those and we'll write it on the chart. And I also have a
Wow.
Like there's kangaroos and there's wallabies. Kangaroos are bigger and wallabies are smaller.
So these animals are known as wallabies. हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ कंगारुको बच्चा जस्तो देख्दो रहेछ तर wallabies हो.
Look at them.
Still bite, but these guys are sort of.
So हामी चाहिँ अघिदेखि कंगारुको चाहिँ प्लेस खोजिरहेको थियो म्यापमा चाहिँ देखाइरहेको थियो तर हल्का ट्रिकी रहेछ के त्यो म्यापमा जानलाई अनि फाइनली हामीले चाहिँ कंगारु भएको प्लेस भेटाएको छौं. So they are the real kangaroos. यिनीहरु चाहिँ बल्ल हामीले कंगारु भेटाएर यो चाहिँ कंगारु हो. अघि देखेको चाहिँ सानो सानो चाहिँ कंगारुको बच्चा जस्तो देखेको चाहिँ they are wallabies. अनि यो चाहिँ बल्ल कंगारु रियल कंगारु. कंगारु र wallabies चाहिँ सेम देखे पनि they are different in size. मतलब अब wallabies चाहिँ कंगारुको बच्चा जस्तो देख्दो रहेछ के.
Hello. Hello. Wow. They all are taking a sun bath.
They are.
Yes. हामी चाहिँ फर्किन लाग्यो अनि हल्का फोनको चार्ज पनि छैन क्या धेरै सो नाउ इट्स टाइम टु गो होम
एकैछिन रेस्ट गरेर चाहिँ हामी अहिले Q1 मा आएको छौं which is known as highest building of Australia.
How fast we're going up.
हामी चाहिँ यस्तो 77 फ्लोर माथि आछ
And look out there.
Those
See
are the
that
whales.
white?
Yeah.
That was a whale. Yeah.
Oh, that's why I'm feeling like this. Something
Yeah,
is moving.
yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! मलाई चाहिँ हाइट डेन्जर डर लाग्छ क्या त्यही पनि we are your ठाउँ so look here we are yes
यो बिल्डिङबाट चाहिँ सबै भ्यूहरू मजासँग देख्दो रहेछ तल गोल्ड कोस्टको। अनि द मेन थिङ यताको चाहिँ मेन मान्छेहरू आउने भनेको चाहिँ भ्यू हेर्न प्लस सनसेट हेर्नलाई आउँदो रहेछ। हामी पनि अहिले खासमा सनसेटै हेर्न आएको हो, सनसेट हुने टाइम हुनु लागेको छ। सो सनसेट हेरेर हामी चाहिँ घर जान्छौँ।
Fun on flame. कति माथि छ होला म।
And so the sun will go down and we'll get a beautiful night sky.
Sunset. Best for the sunset. Wow. हामी चाहिँ सनसेट भ्यू हेर्नुलाई आएको हो। हामी खासमा डिनरमा पनि जानु छ कि। हेलो यहाँ छ हामी टपमा। सो सनसेट पनि हुँदैछ। हामी चाहिँ त्यही सनसेट हेरिरहेको। अब सनसेट पनि भइसक्न लाग्यो। अब सनसेट भएपछि चाहिँ हामी जान्छौँ। मान्छेहरूले मलाई कस्तरी हेर्दैछ कि म एक्लै बोर गरेर देखेर होला। अब के गर्नु त, यस्तै हो। अब यस्तै इन्जोय। तर हल्का आँखा चाहिँ के भयो भने त्यो हामीले फिलिङ फिलिङ भए ल गाइज यताबाट हेर्नु। भ्यू राम्रै छ तर हल्का ऊ मात्रै हो क्या हाइट। अब म यसै पनि मलाई अलिकति हाइटदेखि डर लाग्छ। तर झन् यो हाइट देख्यो भने झन् ऊ भएर हो क्या। अब तर हल्का अघि भन्नु चाहिँ युज टु भए जस्तो भए। तर मलाई चाहिँ ऊ भएको थियो यो बिल्डिङ हल्ले जस्तो। बिल्डिङ हल्ले जस्तो लाग्यो। तर हल्ले चाहिँ छैन। यो चाहिँ यस्तो एरिया छ। सबैजना प्यारो प्यारो कपालहरू आउनु भएको छ। यहाँबाट हेऱ्यो भने जम्मै देखिन्छ इफ यु वान्ट टु। एन्ड हाम्रो लुप्पी हुनुहुन्छ यता। सनसेट चाहिँ भइसक्यो एकदम। कहिलेकाहीँ त यस्तो हेरेर मात्रै बस्न पनि एकदम आनन्द हुँदो रहेछ कि है। यस्तो मजाको फिल भइरहेको यो हेरेर। अब चाहिँ हामी घर जानु लाग्यो। अब सबै भइसक्यो।
हामी चाहिँ अब घर फर्किँदैछौँ। यसपछि चाहिँ हामी डिनरमा गयो। डिनरमा गएको चाहिँ मैले भिडियो क्लिक गरेन किनकि अब त्यहीँ बसेर गफ गरेर खाइरहेको थियो। अनि त्यति बेला फोन निकालेर भिडियो पनि गरेन मैले। सो मेरो डे 2 को चाहिँ भोलि आउँछ पार्ट 2। त्यो भिडियो पनि हेरिदिनु होला। थ्याङ्क यू सो मच फर वाचिङ माई भिडियो। डु लाइक सेयर एन्ड सब्सक्राइब। पार्ट 2 चाहिँ भोलि आउँछ। स्टे ट्युन।
You are a monkey, I am a donkey, rest